morning. We'll discuss today File Transfer Protocol (FTP) and TFTP, Travel File Transfer Protocol. So first we'll discuss File Transfer Protocol. FTP stands for Standard Mechanism provided by TCP/IP for copying a file from one host to the another host. Standard mechanism provided by TCP/IP for copying a file from one host to the another host here. So facilitates transfer of a files over a network. It may be from client server model. FTP often works with the Transmission Control Protocol (TCP). Generally uses the services of TCP, and it needs two connections here. And it also often uses the Telnet protocol, and it is defined as a RFC 959. So overview of FTP. FTP uses TCP as a transport protocol to provide reliable end-to-end connections and implements two types of connections in managing the data transfers here. The FTP client initiates the first connection, referred to as a control connection, to well-known port 21. It is on the port that an FTP server listens for and accepts the new connections here. The control connection is used for all of control commands a client user uses to log on to a server, manipulate the files, and terminate the session here. This is also the connection across which the FTP server will send messages to the client in response to these control commands here. This means it uses the two connections. One is well-known port 21, used for control connection, commands as well as the responses. Well-known port 20 for data connection, that is for the data transfer here. So overview continued. The second connection used by FTP is referred as a data connection for data transfer. Typically data connection is established on the server port 20. However, depending upon how the data connection is established, both client and server might use the informal ports here. What is the informal ports here? Is a short-lived transfer protocol port for internet protocol communications. Informal ports are allocated automatically from predefined range of IP stack software and used by the TCP, UDP, and SCTP. FTP transfers data over data connection. FTP only opens a data connection when the client issues a command requiring a data transfer, such as a request to retrieve a file or view the list of files available. It is possible for entire FTP session to open and close without data connection here ever having been opened. The data connection is unidirectional. FTP can transfer data only from client to the server or from server to the client, but not both. The data connection can be initiated from either the client or server side. Data connections initiated by the server are active, while those initiated by client are the passive. So generally client has three components. One is user interface, control process, and data transfer process here. And server has the two components, control process, data transfer process here. So control connection is made between control process, data connection is made between the data transfer process here. Control connection remains connected during entire interactive FTP session. Data connection is open and closed for each file transferred here. So coming to the TFTP, Travel File Transfer Protocol. TFTP file transfer is a disk-to-disk data transfer here, and it is a simple protocol used to transfer files. The simplicity of this architecture is deliberate in order to facilitate ease of implementation. Used by Dexlex devices to download firmware at boot time, used by automated process for which assignment of user ID and password is not feasible, used by small application size, allowing it to be implemented inexpensively and in environments where resources are constricted. TFTP is implemented on top of the user datagram protocol, and TFTP client initially sends read-write requests through well-known port number 69 here. The server and client then determine the port that they will use for rest of the connection here. TFTP lacks most of the features of FTP, and instead of limited to only reading a file from a server or writing a file to a server, TFTP has no provisions for user authentication. In that respect, it is a insecure protocol here. Okay, thank you for listening to the session.